Tropical depression Cristobal holding on strong as it makes its way out of Iowa and into Illinois and Wisconsin. It's impressive that this tropical system is still at depression level. Usually it's very weak by the time it gets all the way this north. So impressive weather system in general. Winds at about 30 miles per hour sustained and bringing a ton of rainfall to Iowa this evening. Throughout the course of the day, 2 to 3 inches of rain in general across much of eastern Iowa. Some spots even up to 4 inches of rainfall. With us on the fringe of all this, not getting as nearly as much rain, but intense rain band. You can see that moving through during the middle of the afternoon, provided up to an inch of rain within an hour. So some minor flash flooding occurred underneath that very intense band of rainfall, and that's typical of these tropical systems. As you look at exact track over the last hour or so, you can see still some lingering pockets of rain, another rain band trying to set up here. These won't nearly be as intense as what we saw earlier on this afternoon, but keep in mind, we're going to continue to get on and off downpours like this through the rest of this evening, so that'll add on to our rain totals so far throughout the day. Some pockets of 1 inch plus rain totals thus far scattered around Rockford and mainly centered along US 20. We may see that expand a little bit into this evening, but looking at a lot of rain in a short amount of time, all because of the weather system itself and all the moisture it brings. Dew points skyrocketed today. Very humid out there as we're well within kind of that tropical air mass. As a result, feels more like Florida than northern Illinois at this point with those very high dew point temperatures. Look for these to start to draw down later on tonight. Later on tonight as well, the winds will be calmer. Right now, still looking at sustained wind gusts around 40 miles per hour. So we'll continue to have blustery conditions with this weather system. Wind advisories in effect until midnight for the majority of the state line. We've already had some tree damage so far today with gusts over 40 miles per hour. Look for that to continue through midnight in the highlighted areas here, including Rockford. Could have sporadic power outages and even more tree damage as these strong winds continue with the tropical depression. As we look ahead to future track, again, continuing to see on and off quick hitting downpours through the rest of this evening. But once we get to about 8 o'clock, beginning to dry on out. Late tonight, completely dry as the center of the storm moves into Wisconsin. And the rest of the night, looking at some drizzly conditions from time to time, and sunshine to kick off our Wednesday. Not too much else for rainfall, but some spots may see an additional ½ inch of rain throughout the rest of the evening as this tropical depression continues to linger over the area. So quick hitting downpours possible through 9 p.m. Minor risk of flash flooding as a result of those quick hitting pockets of heavy rainfall. So just watch out for any kind of flooded roads. And remember, those strong winds continue through midnight. Temperature-wise, upper 60s tonight with the rain and wind dying down late. We then look for 76 tomorrow with partly cloudy and breezy conditions. May see additional scattered showers and storms. You can see we start out dry, then some lighter rainfall working in throughout the afternoon. We'll continue to have on and off showers through Wednesday evening, then drier weather after that for several days in a row. So we get a chance to get rid of the rain for quite some time. Temperatures will stay in the 70s for the most part. May start to get back to average into early next week. James and Kristen.
All right, Alex, thanks.